All right, good job. Definitely played some very, very challenging things. So, excellent. Um, just got possibly a couple more things to do with eighth note, single note picking before we move into legato, the hammer-ons, pull-offs, slides, that stuff. So we'll see how things go. But if it all goes well, and you keep all this stuff in control and all that, well, this will be the last two that we do. So, number one here, everything is a beat and a half apart, basically making a polyrhythm. So, you got two notes evenly spaced across three beats the entire time. Now, playing this, I'm using some chord shapes to visualize the riff. It's basically an E minor bar chord shape. Of course, if I strum the whole thing on the 7 string, it wouldn't work out. So it looks like that shape just moved here, but only playing just those 4 strings. And then major chord, major chord, major chord. So basically we're going to be arpeggiating an E minor shape, moving our fingers, so we're just playing one note at a time. So going up first, third, fourth, first. Then I start going down this major shape, a D major shape. So I'm going first, fourth, third, first, and then slide down again, going up a major shape, first, third, fourth, first, fourth, third, first. So here, whoops, my metronome's covered. There it is. Here we go. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. On 20. 1, 2, 3. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And the good old 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. My finger got stuck. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. One, two, 1, 2, 3. One, this is tough. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, next one. Lots and lots of upbeat stuff. So we play the same basic thing throughout in terms of like when we change strings. Basically kind of working within, we're in the key of B minor here. We're just playing like the same like sequence, but just moving it down in key as we go. So like, I don't want to explain it. So like right here we got like that B Aeolian shape. So we're playing the first, fourth, fifth, 7th, and 8th note in that shape. And then we got the In this case, a Mixolydian shape. We're doing the same idea. Playing the first, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth notes in that shape. Same idea here. This one we're using that, what would that be? G Lydian in this case. And then the last part is going to look exactly the same as what we started off as, or started off with, even though this is in F sharp Phrygian. We're still just playing that first, fourth, fifth. It's not fourth. First, fifth, sixth, and seventh. And the eighth note within those notes right there. I'm not saying the interval numbers correctly. I'm just saying, like, if we counted the numbers like one, or the notes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're playing the first, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth note in those shapes there. So anyway, so yeah, the only time we pick down is at the beginning of each bar. Everything else is in upstroke. So let's give this a go. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did not like that note at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See, I know we've done with, I guess, upstroke stuff, or the upbeat stuff, like this with the chords. It was definitely a sticking point. So remember, be very, very confident that you nailed it. Everything felt and sounded dead on correct to you before you go any faster. Remember, chase that accuracy and not the speed. We got to stay accurate, keep it in control. That's the main thing. The main thing. So when things start getting kind of rough, probably best to just go ahead and call it at whatever speed it starts getting rough, and maybe do some repetitions at the speed where it starts getting kind of rough for you. So let's say day number 1, you get up to 120. It's like, yeah, it's starting to get a bit challenging, starting to feel a little bit rough. I'll do a few repeats there, get a few takes at that speed, and call it a day. And then the next day, maybe you get up to like 130, 135, so a little bit faster. And then that starts feeling rough again, so then do a few repetitions there. So this way, you're really easing into going faster with this sort of thing, and just making sure you stay in control. So with this sort of stuff, because it's really easy to get off on the rhythm, be very gentle with pushing the speed. So as soon as it starts to feel kind of rough, you're like, yeah, it's starting to get a little iffy if, staying on time and keeping the notes in between the beats and all that. Don't go any further that day. Just stay there, do a few repetitions, and then try and see if you can go any faster the next day. All right, so for chord practice, as we have done with stuff before, got 2 chord progressions. So we got a 6-4-3-5 and a 3-4-7-6 using the inverted power chords or inverted fifth chords into the second inversion triads. So yeah, it's just the same chord progression played in various places. So basically just the same thing starting on each of the possible strings we can use. So the goal here is just run through them. Just get a good take each one, and you're all good. And I think that covers it. Okay. Any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again next week.